You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is d equal or greater than 1 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Isolate the d. Divide both sides by -3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is d equal or greater than 1 over 3.